Oh, hey, my name's Lance Mason. I'm a client, a new client, I guess. Yes. Well, I don't know how. Well, y'all got assigned to my case, or like conflict counsel, like a month ago or so. Well, I would like to. This is well, it's a debacle. My case is. Um, I've done a lot of work on it. You'll see when you look at it. My name is Lance Mason. Uh, but I really, I've already gone through the, I know what they can't produce the audit logs on the body cam. So that's, yes. Hmm? Yes. Well, you should look at my Facebook page. I'm a CPA from Florida State. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Right, right. Well, you're going to see when I've developed some software. See, I'm a CPA from Florida State University, so it's an unusual situation for a CPA to get trespassed from the business school, which is where I went to school there. You'll see that, and all of this is provable. I mean, if you just go ask for the audit logs, you'll see that the general counsel can't produce the audit log. I mean, they are caught. I've got a video of me calling them. I developed some software. Uh, I'm an oil and gas accountant, and I'm also a software developer. Uh, anyway, I developed some software that I don't know. Do you know what the section, township range and section is? Like the public land surveys. Anyway, uh, what my program does is if you pick a square on the map in Oklahoma, it will tell you who owns all the mineral interests in there. It does that by picking up the legal description off the top of the page, and then Exhibit A is the respondent list for all the people that have a mineral interest there. So it gathers those things up every 5 minutes, and you can see it. It's generated. Well, they sold the first company was 1.7 billion. You're going to see. I mean, I'm not just saying this. You're going to see. But if you'll notice that if you ask the Florida State, oh, by the way, I have the Florida State Police, the people that the officers, they deleted the body cam, but I did get some of it. Uh, okay, I got some of it, and they went and deleted it after that. They won't produce the audit logs, and here's a great part is that the Florida. Okay, this was conducted. This whole thing is to keep me from suing these guys because it's worth what I just told you. The program that I'm talking about is generated a fortune, and that's the common theme. That's what this. It's all about. Just dragging the thing out. Just going past the statute of limitations, wearing me out, doing shit like this. Exactly what we're. Uh, anyway, I have the Florida State Police. We can nail them for official misconduct, evidence tampering, among others. I'm thinking that this is an organized scheme to defraud, also, so that's a first-degree felony. And you're only seeing part of it over here. The other part is over in Panama City, which is I have my 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 stepdad committed a strong arm robbery on me. Well, him and my mother. You can listen to it. So anyway, you'll see. You'll see. Let me just tell you just check me out on Facebook. Uh, I've got videos like you're not going to believe it when you see it. You'll be able to tell immediately when you ask for the body cam audit logs. They're not going to be able to produce it because what that's going to do. Yes. Uh, oh, okay. This, well, I went to jail for 53 days. I don't know if it mentioned that. Stephanie Morris was the original judge, and then she came back to Stephanie Newland later on. Uh, right. Hey, right. But at the same time, it was not disclosed to me, by the way. Are you my attorney? I mean, because we can just, we can just stop, because I'm in Texas, and I want y'all to call I want y'all to get in touch with the FBI. See, but I went through this routine with Chris Dunn before, where you can just listen to, it's the same instructions. I don't, like, y'all, we can just, y'all can conflict off, go ahead. I want two things. I want the body cam audit logs, and then I want to call the FBI. I want to arrange a meeting with the FBI. That should, yes. Oh, well, she'll see then. I got plenty of good reason. I got plenty. Okay. Okay, well, let's just say, hey, hold on. Well, hold on a sec. Just before we get off on this, like, I don't care if y'all can go ahead and conflict off. Go ahead. Like, I'm the principal here. I'm not going to be talked down to like I'm a schoolboy. Okay? I'm the principal. Okay. Well, it seems like you're talking down to me like you're the boss. I'm the principal. Yes. Like you're my boss. Right. Okay. Well, I'm just clarifying that I am the principal, and okay. Go ahead. Yes. Okay. 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 Well, you'll see. The more of this that you see, you'll understand more. I recommend that you go check out my Facebook page. You, well, it's public. It's public. It's a. It's all public. So it's a business page. I mean, anybody can get to it. That's what I'm trying to do is to get it. I want to also get in touch with the media. But yes, that would be fantastic if she could arrange a meeting with the FBI. If she could, you'll see. You'll see. Uh, I've got so much stuff on this. The reason it would be the FBI, by the way, is that uh, the 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 company that stole it, is my former childhood friend. He's an attorney. We worked out here in San Antonio. The dude, our former boss, his dad started Valero. I don't know if you know that, but they're billionaires. Uh, anyway, the company that they set up is called Long Point Minerals. It's in Oklahoma, or I'm sorry, it's in Denver. So, and then the minerals that we're talking about are in Oklahoma, and then the lawyers are in Texas and Florida. So that, I mean, that's diversity right there, and we're talking in excess of $1 billion. So that gets over the 75,000 hurdle right there. So I mean, also, that's just in addition. We can also go trafficking in trade secrets, and that's in the Florida statutes if we want to just keep it in house. I mean, but this is definitely federal. There's this whole, what you're seeing right now is an example of, of the deprivation of my civil rights. I mean, this is just the extension of that. You'll see in the video that I'm going to produce for you, the one that they deleted, you'll see them stealing my vehicle, and that it was the Florida Highway Patrol, who I have a cousin in this Highway Patrol, and he's my stepdad, my stepdad he's a golfing, they're BFF with the opposing, or the guy that stole it, my childhood friend. His attorney and my stepdad were BFF and golfing partners and all that. So that's what's happened, is that they've done all this to to keep me from suing, is what it is. I mean, that's the long and short of it. And the more of it you see, the more that you'll understand that everything that I've said to you today is correct. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. That's fantastic. Okay. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Of course. Sure. 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 Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Let me give y'all my address too if y'all want to send correspondence to me. Angela sent it. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Hmm. Sure. 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 Okay. Okay. Talk to you later. Thank you.